Welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is the words that you can use instead of very. Let's have a look. Very hungry, starving. Very quick, rapid. Very busy, swamped. Very sure, certain. Very big, enormous. Very clean, spotless. Very happy, thrilled. Very funny, hilarious. Very old, ancient. Very careful, cautious. Very stupid, idiotic. Very cold, freezing. Very easy, effortless. Very pretty, beautiful. Very good, amazing. Very strong, powerful. Very tired, exhausted. Very weak, frail. Very clear, obvious. Very often, frequent. Thank you for watching my channel and please subscribe for more.